Peace be upon you and your family. In this video, we are going to discuss about structure of xenon trioxide. Structure of xenon trioxide. In the previous video series, we discussed about the structure of xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride, xenon hexafluoride, xenon oxydifluoride, xenon oxytetrafluoride. All their structure, geometry with the lone pair. What is the geometry? Without the lone pair. But in this video, we are going to discuss about oxides of xenon, structure of xenon trioxide. Xenon trioxide molecular formula XeO3. Xenon trioxide. The central non-metal in xenon trioxide is xenon, Xe, it is a noble gas, and its outermost electronic configuration is 5s2, 5p6. How many valence electrons present in xenon? 8 valence electrons are present in xenon. Before enter into the hybridization, now I give one simple formula used to calculate the hybridization. Hybridization equal to 1 by 2 into V plus M minus C plus A. What is V? Number of valency electrons in central non-metal or metal atom. Number of valency electrons in central non-metal or metal atom. What is M? Number of monovalent atoms linked to central non-metal or metal atom. Number of monovalent atom. Monovalent atom example: hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, Cn monovalent. But if oxygen and nitrogen are present in the given compound, the number of oxygen, number of nitrogen should not be taken into the calculation. M indicate only monovalent atom, number of monovalent atom. What is C in our formula? Charge on cation. What is A in our formula? Charge on anion. Charge on cation, charge on anion. Correct? So using this formula, we can easily calculate the hybridization of many compounds. Hybridization of interhalogen compounds, hybridization of xenon compound noble gases can be calculated by using this formula. Now, we are going to discuss the hybridization takes place in xenon trioxide. Now, I am going to write the formula once again. Hybridization, intermixing of orbitals of same energy is called hybridization. Is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 2 into V plus M minus C plus A. V plus M minus C plus A. Substitute all the value to get the answer. Equal to 1 by 2 into, what is V? Number of valency electron in the central non-metal. Number of valence electron equal to 8 plus. What is M? number of monovalent atom linked to central metal. Is there any monovalent? No. Oxygen is a divalent. Therefore, number of monovalent equal to 0. Minus C, charge on cation, there is no positive charge here, 0. Plus A, charge on anion, there is no negative charge, 0. So 1 by 2 into 8. 1 by 2 into 8. What is the answer? The answer is 4. Equal to, the answer is 4. If the answer is 4, how do you select the orbital for hybridization? Draw the orbital from s orbital. S orbital has only one orientation. P orbital has 3 orientation. What are they? Px, Py, Pz. P orbital has 3 orientation. D orbital has 5 orientation. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. D orbital has 5 orientation. Our answer is 4. So select 4 orbital from the first orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is hybridization? Yes, P3 hybridization. If the hybridization is sp3, the actual geometry is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. The actual geometry is tetrahedral. Now, before draw the structure, we are going to calculate number of bond pair and the number of lone pair present in XeO3. Xenon, outermost valency cell containing 8 electrons. Oxygen is bivalent. One oxygen form 2 bond with xenon. Therefore, 3 oxygen form 6 bond with xenon. One oxygen form 2 bond with xenon. 3 oxygen form 6 bond with xenon. Therefore, xenon shares 6 electron with the oxygen atom. Among the 8 electron, it shares 6 electron with the oxygen atom. So, remaining how many electron? 2 electrons are unused electron in xenon. 2 electron means how many pair? 1 pair of electron. 1 pair of electron. This pair is not involved in bond formation. Therefore, it is called lone pair electron. Oxygen form how many double bonding? 3 double bonds formed by oxygen. Oxygen form 3 double bond. 3 double bond means how many bond pair? 6 bond pair electrons are present in xenon trioxide. Now we are going to draw the structure of xenon trioxide tetrahedral structure. Then we will convert it into actual geometry. Xenon at the center. You know how to draw the tetrahedral structure. Above the plane, one bond. Here you have one bond. Here you have another bond. And one bond is perpendicular to the plane. This bond is perpendicular to the plane. How many oxygen atoms are attached to xenon? 3 oxygen atoms. 1 oxygen atom, another oxygen atom, third oxygen atom. We know oxygen always form double bond. So here one double bond xenon. Here you have one double bond with xenon. Here you have one double bond with xenon. And there is one lone pair of electron that is above the plane. When you join all the structure, all the corners, you will get the tetrahedral structure. See the tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure. Join all the corners. This is your tetrahedral. With lone pair, it is tetrahedral. This is your tetrahedral. Without lone pair, screen the lone pair of electron. So what is the shape? Pyramidal. The shape is pyramidal. With lone pair, it is tetrahedral. Without lone pair, see the structure, it is pyramidal in nature. Pyramidal in nature. So the geometry of xenon trioxide is pyramidal in nature. Pyramidal shape. Pyramidal geometry. sp3 is the geometry of tetrahedral. With lone pair, no doubt it is tetrahedral in nature. One lone pair occupy one position. When you screen the lone pair of electron, now you can see only the pyramidal shape. So this is the structure of xenon trioxide. Hybridization sp3. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.